What's up, TSFL Nation? I'm back with another reaction. This is a subscriber's request. If you have any videos you guys want me to do, leave them in the comments. So this weekend, there's probably going to be less videos than normal just because I got to work. I got 12-hour shifts to do this weekend. So you guys may see a little decrease in the videos. I'll still be doing videos. It'll just be not as much as normal. So yes, but we're about to check it out and check out this video. And yeah, this is a subscriber's request, so let's check it out. He got a lion? I like this beat. I like this guy's voice. He's like, I don't know. There's just something about his voice that's just like, it fits. These music videos always stay lit, man. Like these videos are lit. What the heck? Dang. Dang. That lion looks pretty cool. I would like to have a lion as a pet, to be honest. A lot of people are scared of lions, but I would like to have one as a pet. But that was a lit music video. I like it. That was definitely a good start of the day. I like it. If you guys have any reactions you guys want me to do, leave them in the comments and I'll do them. So yeah, thank you guys and see you guys in the next video. Peace.